Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. Today is very simple. We all love a good sandwich, but there's sandwich and there's sandwich. And today we are making sandwich. This sandwich, we start with a brisket, but because we're just making sandwich for our family, we just need a little piece of the brisket, just the flat top, not the whole brisket. And we clean it, we take a little bit of the fat, leaving a little bit too, because fat means flavor, and we want flavor in our sandwich. So I just finished cleaning and trimming the fat of the brisket, and we want to leave a little bit, like ½ inch, just to have that extra flavor. There, it's gonna keep it moisture too. And after we trim a little bit of that fat, we cover the brisket with some mustard. But don't worry if you don't like mustard. You can use instead some Worcestershire sauce. And we cover the brisket and we use a dry rub. Cover the brisket with that rub, especially with salt. Don't be shy. This is not the moment to be shy. Now we are gonna smoke this brisket low and slow for a few hours at 225 degrees. So I preheated my smoker and I wanted to cook at 225, and I double check here. I want the smoke there, and we're gonna leave the brisket here to smoke for around 3 hours because it's just a small brisket. You can put the brisket right on the grill. I like to keep it there so I don't make a mess, and I also gonna sprinkle some mix of vinegar to keep it moist, and then we wrap it in aluminum foil, and after that time we wrap it and put it back. Until your brisket reaches 200 inside temperature, and we take it out and let it rest. And now we prepare a salad, but not any salad, but a delicious cabbage salad with an extra twist there, because we're gonna add some mangoes to add a little more flavor there. And we cut these ingredients and we mix it with a vinaigrette. I like to prepare this salad in advance before even I start smoking the brisket, so it can have time to develop those flavors, and it's gonna be even more delicious than when you just made it. Now you can use your brisket drippings to make a barbecue sauce, or you can use your favorite store-bought barbecue sauce. And now we grab our brioche bread and we warm it up. If you like it toasted, you can toast it. And then I made a combination between mayo and ketchup. I know it sounds strange, but if you haven't tried it, just give it a try. And then I mix it and I put it over the bread. And on top of the sauce, we put some juicy brisket, some BBQ sauce, and I give you a secret. Everything tastes better with bacon. So put some bacon, don't be shy. Now top it with the cabbage, cover with the bread, and there you go. A delicious sandwich I know you and your family are gonna love. Thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda, making a sandwich. And if you like it and found value in it, please give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time.